In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task to Google Tasks from an email. If you ever lose track of important messages or forget to follow up, this simple workflow will save you time and keep you organized. We'll walk through it together so you can confidently turn any email into a trackable task in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're in the correct inbox for the account where the email lives. For example, if the message is in your work account, sign in there. Keep your login details private and secure, and avoid signing in on shared devices without logging out afterward. Next, open the email you want to turn into a task. Click the message so the full content is visible, not just highlighted in the inbox list. Seeing the email open is important because the subject line from this specific message will become the task name, and you'll get a handy link back to this exact conversation. Now look to the right-hand side of Gmail for the side panel. You'll see a vertical strip of icons for Calendar, Keep, Tasks, and Contacts. Click the Tasks icon, which looks like a small check mark inside a blue circle. If you don't see the panel, look for a small arrow at the bottom right of your screen and click it to expand the side panel. The Tasks panel will slide open, giving you a place to view and manage your to-dos without leaving Gmail. With the email open, find the 3 vertical dots at the top of the message. This is the More menu. Click it, then choose Add to Tasks. That's all you need to do. Gmail will automatically create a new task using the email's subject as the task name and attach a direct link back to the email. You should see the new task appear instantly in the Tasks panel on the right. Later, when you click that link from your task, Gmail will take you straight back to this exact email thread, saving you the trouble of searching. And that's the entire process. This is especially useful for follow-ups, approvals, scheduling, or anything that needs action beyond reading. Repeat these same steps whenever an email requires attention, and you'll build a reliable list you can work through without losing track. Because Tasks is part of your Google account, it syncs across devices, so the to-dos you create here will be available wherever you use Google. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to add tasks from emails quickly and consistently.